Hello, everyone. Welcome to Prompt Tech, a training channel for prompt software engineering. Just as the title reads, Basic Prompting Strategy for Software Developers. This course is about the development of basic prompting strategies needed by any software engineer. We will be combining two powerful tools in artificial intelligence, ChatGPT, and software development, ReactJS. As a software engineer, your ability to combine these two tools will be very valuable for your future professional growth. This course will be divided into series of videos for easy comprehension. Make sure to watch all the videos till the end. What to expect in this course? The measurable achievements are prompting strategies, how to use them to perform common routine tasks, and finally, a sample project suitable for your portfolio. This project will also be useful for software development via prompting. We'll be looking at micro-prompting strategies. Another strategy is given, find, and solve strategy. We'll also be looking at chain of thought strategy and micro-prompting strategy. And all these strategies will be combined to set up a project, to create components, to perform routing, layout, styling of your application, and also to generate functions that are needed to drive the dynamic nature of your application. And we also touch base with component nesting, component refactoring, conditional rendering, listing page, how you can use prompting to create custom hooks, and finally, how you can use prompting to generate unit testing. And by the end of this course, you have a project for your portfolio and a tool for software development. Follow the above steps to get the full knowledge of the course. That is, watch the video. I suggest you take some notes, then practice the strategy yourself, and then answer the follow-up video question. Feel free to pause, rewind, and rewatch the video. Again, ensure to practice the follow-up questions. They will be useful during interview. As an introduction, why the need for prompting? According to statistics, software engineering is ranked amongst the most accessible, high skills, income generation profession. And also, it is the most remote job openings. These are statistical facts. And that is the reason why the love of software engineering is getting a lot of traction by people nowadays. It gives you high income. And in fact, it is the first time in the history of mankind when you will have the same job, a profession that will give you high income and does not require any advanced degree. It is accessible because you can learn it easily. And that is one of the routes is to watch this video. It's flexible. There's a lot of remote job out there. The concept of work anywhere. You are in control of your time. And it's even less physically demanding. All these contribute to why software engineering has become a sought-after job. But over the course of training and mentoring a lot of people, I realized people find it difficult, challenging to acquire the skills and join the booming industry. And that is the reason for this course. This course is to solve the challenges, the difficulties in carrying out software engineering tasks. Briefly, let's take a look at what software engineers, what they do, and compare to what prompt software engineers. Briefly, software engineer convert client or customer stories into programming language or code. This is exactly the same with prompt software engineer. The only difference is that prompt software engineers use artificial intelligence to do their work instead of search engines. In other words, the advent of artificial intelligence creates prompt software engineering field. Since we are talking about AI, artificial intelligence, I think it's going to be a good idea to mention a few things about the advantages and disadvantages that are relevant to this course. Among the advantages of artificial intelligence is rational decision making. And this is exactly the way software engineers do their work. Converting code has to be done rationally and not randomly. AI comes with high accuracy, which means it makes little mistakes. Most importantly, it mimics how software engineers solve internet and make accurate guess of the solution. It is also selfless. It's ready to work for you at any time because it has been built to do that. However, it could cause job loss because less number of people will be needed, or even some job might be completely replaced by AI. The thing is that you don't want to be affected in the coming AI-induced job loss. Therefore, taking this course will make you relevant in the AI era when it is fully adopted. Also, another disadvantage of AI is the lack of what? Is the lack of creativity. And it could also be biased. It has to be trained because it has to be trained and guided depending on the data used to train AI. biasness can set in. So therefore, your work as a prompt software engineer is to guide and supervise AI to give you the intended result. This is another reason why you should take this course and prompt strategy on using AI to build software application. Prompt software engineering can be defined as a method of communicating with AI system using human language to get it to perform a specific task. As you could see, I've highlighted things that you need to keep in your mind. That is, you are communicating with AI. In this case, we are using ChatGPT. You're using human language, which is the prompt, and you want a specific task, which is the codes or the programming language. Let's talk about how software engineers do their work. After reading the user story, a software engineer will break down the task into smaller steps in a form called pseudocode. He then converts the pseudocode to a real code. This second step requires software engineers not only think about the code, but also write the code. So they also think about the code and writing it at the same time. On the other hand, a prompt software engineer only think about writing the prompt, which according to the definition is human language, and he ship this prompt to the AI. And the AI will be the one to do step 2 and step 3 for software, that is writing it, coding it. All that is left for the prompt engineer to do is to supervise. This workflow is much more easier and faster. So therefore, a prompt software engineer, to restate the definition, you communicate with the AI system in a human language form. So first, let us know that prompts are not code, or they are not pseudocode. They are very easy, very quick and efficient, easy to learn, and it even expand the tasks that you can perform. It makes you multitasking and multi-capacity. We have come to the end of the introduction section. That is why prompting. If you have watched this video to this point, I'm sure you have learned why you need to start to incorporate prompting to your software development tools. I have added another video to help you revise what the key points in these videos are. I encourage you to watch the questions and practice them. They are helpful to retain information longer. Also, feel free to rewatch the video and practice the question as many times as you want. I challenge you, you should be able to answer 80% of the question easily. The next video is what make an effective prompt. So stay tuned. Kindly like, comment, and subscribe. Always remember, it is better to work smarter than harder. Stay connected. Thank you for watching this video.